How to check someone's close friends list on Instagram. Make sure to watch the video till the end to prevent any mistakes in the process. So first of all, you need to open the Instagram application. Make sure you have logged in into your Instagram account. Here you need to search anyone you would like to know if you are on their close friends list. So let me open the Kylie Jenner's profile. So as you can see that she has a story lit up right now. So this is only the method to find out if you are on someone's close friends list or not. So as you can see that the ring around her picture at the top left of the screen is red and yellow. That means that the story is for everyone and not just the close friends. So but if you look on the account you follow have green ring around the story. That means they have added you to their close friends list. But on the top of the screen here I can see that nobody has that green ring around their story. That means that I haven't been added by anyone as a close friend. So I hope this video was helpful for you to understand how to check someone's close friends list on Instagram. If this was helpful, then make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video and see you in the next video.